One of the questions that you certainly want to know the answer to is, what will a good personal injury attorney do for me? I think the most important thing is to properly evaluate your case. And in order to properly evaluate your case, they've got to hear your story. They've got to talk to witnesses. They may have to talk to doctors, officers, and they may have to hire experts. Get your medical records, and only then can they properly evaluate your case and tell you a range of what it may be worth. Another thing that a good personal injury attorney can do for you is, if you need to hire experts to testify, if you need to hire an accident reconstructionist to come out to the scene, a good personal injury attorney can do that for you also. I think one of the underestimated things that a good personal injury attorney can do for you is to negotiate your claim. The insurance companies are well trained in negotiation, and we know what they're looking for. We know what their tricks and their tactics are. And people who don't deal with this on a regular basis don't know that. Another thing that a good personal injury attorney can do for you that you certainly can't do for yourself is to file a lawsuit. If you're not making any headway with the insurance company, we'll file a lawsuit on your behalf, and we'll go all the way to trial if we have to. The first thing after you file a lawsuit is you conduct what is called discovery, where you're trying to gather information. You're trying to find out what they have, what their witnesses are going to say. And this may include depositions, where you're taking the testimony of someone under oath, and you most likely may be asked to give your deposition as part of the litigation process too. That's something we'll have you very well prepared for. If the case does not settle and a lawsuit's filed, once you've gone through the discovery process, gathering more information from the other side, you may be required to mediate your case, or it may be desirable to mediate your case. And that's certainly something that a good personal injury attorney can handle for you. If the case doesn't settle during mediation, you'll have to get further prepared to go to trial. And a good personal injury attorney will try the case for you all the way to a verdict in front of a jury. I think another thing that a good personal injury attorney will do for you is, if there are medical liens or outstanding bills with hospitals or medical providers, a good personal injury attorney will help you get those reduced, so that's more value to you. This certainly isn't an exhaustive list of all the things that a good personal injury attorney will do for you, but it gives you an idea of the value of having a lawyer who handles these types of cases on a regular basis, what they can do for you.